Hello my busy bumblebees, welcome to OT Closet. This is Miss Olga, occupational therapist. Let's listen, learn, and have some fun while drumming. Get 3 beanbags that are circles and 3 that are rectangles. You can use construction paper and cut out your shapes as well. 2 drumsticks, balloons are optional. Instead of drumsticks, you can use 2 markers or 2 pencils or 2 sticks. We'll open the Kinder Egg when we're done. I will put the balloons on the drumsticks so they're the same color as my beanbags. Place 3 circles in front of you and each circle will have 1 tap. Ready, set, go! Now do it by yourself. Ready, set, go! Take your circles away and put 3 rectangles in front of you. Each rectangle will have 2 taps. Ready, set, go! Do it by yourself now. Ready, set, go! Can you copy my pattern using your shapes? Take 2 drumsticks in your hand. Red one is in your right and green one is in your left. Ready, set, go! Do it by yourself now. Ready, set, go! Copy my pattern again. Tap with me. Ready, set, go! It's all you now. Ready, set, go! Add another circle and copy my pattern. Ready, set, go! It's your turn now. Ready, set, go! Let's switch 2 shapes and make a new pattern. Ready, set, go! Let's see you do it by yourself. Ready, set, go! Let's add another circle to our pattern. Green stick in your left hand and red stick in your right. Ready, set, go! You can do it. Ready, set, go! Copy my pattern again. Ready, set, go. Do it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Can you add another rectangle in front? Ready, set, go. It's your turn now. Ready, set, go. This is our last pattern. Can you copy it again? Ready, set, go. Try it by yourself. Ready, set, go. Absolutely splendid. Now it's time for Kinder Egg. It's a launcher. Thanks for playing with me today. I will see you again next time. Bye.